This is another survey type problem. If 50 people on the street were chosen and asked the question if they belong to a union, 3 out of 7 people say that they belong to a union. The question comes in, how many of the 50 people belong to the union? So let's just see. We have 3 people for yes, they belong to a union, 7 people no. And so we want to know how many yeses are, and we'll make that as an x. And so we have to put this over 1. So we have 2 ratios here. We have 3 over 7 is equal to x, the number that we want to find out that belong to a union, and x over 50, which is the total number of people that were chosen at random. So what we have here are 2 ratios, 3 over 7 and x over 50. The question is, are 2 things being compared? And the answer is yes. We have the unions are yes, and then we have the unions for no. So 2 ratios, and you have to remember that the numerator, this is 3 for yes, and this is also, the x is going to equal the number of persons that belong to a union. So what we have here, if we cross multiply, you get 7x, and that's equal to 150. And if you solve for x, is 21.4. Now you say, why do we come out with a fraction? You'll always come out with a fraction in general, because all polls, depending on the numbers that come up with, it'll probably never be equal to an even number. So round figures, you can say x is equal to essentially 21 people that belong to a union out of 50.